Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of the course here. I hope everybody's doing well. Our topic this week is distracted by distractions. All right, so sometimes we have a lot of things going on. Sometimes we have nice distractions, but other times we just have a whole bunch of stuff going on. And it kind of takes us off focus, off track. Like I said, just lots of things. And so, depending on your situation, and just talking about, okay, as a college student, online student, uh, you have a primary focus of trying to get your schoolwork done and study, but then you got all these other things that go on that kind of distract us sometimes. So, and I pick on the media sometimes because they can be the biggest distraction. And I'm not talking about serious incidents or something that happen, but in general, the media. Some people are really consumed by the news media and social media. And and one of the problems is they believe what they see on social media and the news sometimes. So so being obsessed where you spend more time on that than you do on your other, responsibilities. Um, so me being older, I remember when I was a kid watching, the evening news back when there was only 3 channels. And so journalism used to be about reporting the news. Today it's gotten more about inserting personal political views and slanted, perceptives or perceptions about the news. Um, next time you watch one of the regular newscasts, listen to what the reporters are actually saying and how much of it is actually stating a fact and actually inserting a whole bunch of side information in there. So, and my point is, we believe opinions to be true sometimes, depending on where we're getting it from. I use documentaries as an example. Uh, a lot of the documentaries that are made recently are opinions instead of facts. They're based on personal opinions, and unfortunately, people believe these documentaries are true. And this results in personal views being formed based on misinformation. And I use Michael Moore as an example because back when I got my MBA up in Michigan, and I got it at the up at University of Michigan in Flint. That's where I got it. And Michael Moore in Flint is like a dirty word, based on his documentary he did, which according to people in Michigan is not a documentary, but it ruined the city of Flint. With businesses not coming in. I mean, there's a whole lot of things in there, but so the view up in Flint, Michigan is Roger Moore's documentary ruined the city because of a lot of false information in there, but it was opinion. So again, that's my point. Um, Distractors influence our mood. They influence our attitude, how we utilize our time, how we react to things, how we conduct ourselves, and how we develop perspectives or views based on information that may or may not be true. So, but it's just distracting time. So, it's kind of ironic that entertainment news like TMZ has more reliable news sometimes than the actual news. Um, but anyway, my point of the story here is distractors distract you from your purpose. You need to step back and evaluate your news from 2 sides. Don't let media and events distract you. You have a purpose. Your schoolwork, family, work, quality of life, everything else that you have going on. Those are your priorities. All right. So don't let the distractions in life stop you from your dreams and your goals. Don't, just don't let them do it. All right. Don't let media and events be in charge of your life. Be in charge of your own life. All right. So, all these distractors, and whether it be fake news or not fake news or whatever different sides of the political coin say, um, try not to let it impact you and focus on yourself. All right. Stay focused, get rid of your distractions, and accomplish your goals. All right. So that's that part. Let me get out of here real quick into the course. So upcoming week, uh, you've got 3 chapters. You got chapter 13, online and mobile advertising. I will add that back in my days when I was working at Domino's, we didn't have online and mobile advertising. So advertising has progressed over the years. All right. We got social media now, and we also have direct marketing and other media. So that's what this week is covering. All right. Everything else, discussions. Those of you that are doing well in there, keep doing it. Don't forget we have initial post enter by Wednesday, so everybody else can participate. And then you got your assignments. And, let's get back up here. Weekly assignment and your quiz, all right? And then so you got 2 more weeks left. And so with that, I will finish up with my test question here. So the grand boys, they're almost 9, almost 5. Their parents took them somewhere this past weekend. Maybe you can figure out where they went. So with that, I will let you go. Again, have a great week. As always, get in touch with me if you got any questions or anything. And so that's it. Take care, everybody.